Let's go. Musulod na mi. Lubot. Cheerleader na no, naguna. Minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to Sakay, ang lugar nga magsakay-sakay na santa. In English, the place where we can ride. Ay, nako. Anyway, guys, welcome to our sports events here in Sakay Gymnasium. Wow, the gymnasium here is so big. So nice to say, guys. As in, gasinaw ang kuan salog. In English, guys, the floor is so shiny. The English po more. Ito, guys, please bear my English grammatical error. I really need to speak English. Ay nako, kumbate. Okay, so now let's go. No, we still have our warm up gihapon. And then this time we just use the soft ball, not really the official ball, because the other are complaining that they want only the soft ball, not the official ball for the volleyball jud. So that's why if reserve kay manglopad mo abot sa atop. It's because it's very kuan jud siya, soft jud siya. I don't know. Ay nako. Actually, I want to use the official ball, but with the due respect. Charot. Okay. Gamit lang ka sa soft nga jud nga ball, not the official ball jud. Yeah, so this is the moment. This is my moment. I don't have any sports wear, so okay. I really wear my very memorable charot. Memorable jersey. Wow. Guys, basketball jersey intaw nako sa CTU. Ya buhi pa kaadyo. For how many long years ako just siyang preserve, guys. Yeah, anyway, so we divided into 2 teams, and then gi-divide sad ang mga kamaw gamay og sports ug dili sad kayo kabalo sports, pero you know, volleyball is not really so hard, but maybe for the others na kanang wala jud sa maanad ba, especially the kanang ball nga humok pa sa kayo, and then it's really hard to control the soft ball unless if we will use the official ball. We plan to use the official ball after, but you know, we just rent the gymnasium for 2 hours, and then what will you do with the 2 hours? Okay, yeah, so that's why we need to really kanang use the time wisely. And you know, the rent here is very expensive per hour. Yeah, that's why. So that's why, yes, upon entering here, we will pray, and then after that we will have some lesson, and after that warm up, and then finally we really play volleyball. We really plan to play using the official ball after this. So, but let's see if we can able to play for 2 hours only. And I'm really looking for a basketball ball. Yeah, I really want to play basketball. I really miss playing basketball, but there's no basketball ball. Na siya ring, wala bula. Ay, kasayang jud. If I know lang yun, I really bring a ball so that I can able to play. We only play volleyball 2 sets. Like first set we lose, and then second set we win. Everyone really having fun, and these sports events is like reaching people through sports. You know, here in Japan it's really hard to reach people. And this time my husband is not here because he's working, and I don't have enough Japanese friends. Yeah, lapas Pilipinas hagbay panghakot na tang amiga. Because you know, my friends is first kanang na friend nako sang churchmate man jud. Yeah, so hopefully someday somehow I can able to have a friend and I can invite them. with like these events, on other kinds of events in the church. Ug dinhin human ang amuang volleyball. And then, you know guys, not only volleyball are we allowed to play here, but also badminton. Yeah, you know, I like badminton too. Guys, I really miss sports good, you know. Sa tinuod jud guys, nabitin jud ko. Ganan pa jud ko moduwa og kuan mo pa jud badminton, volleyball, wa jud mi intang kagamit intang sa official ball. Only the soft ball ra jud. Hopefully next time we can able to use official ball for volleyball, and I can also play basketball and more on badminton pag in town. More jud akong ganahan sa sports. And the others, table tennis. Nama siya table tennis, but I don't like table tennis. I don't know how to play table tennis. Yeah, so this is it. Also the gym is so nice. Of course, the rent is very expensive. So guys, I'm about to end this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for your support, and see you on my next video here in Japan. Arigatou gozaimasu minasan. Jane.